Chapter 22. Simple Past Tense. Simple past tense is used to talk about something that started and finished at a definite time in the past. For example, I wanted, you wanted, he wanted, she wanted. So, you just have to learn one word to be able to use it in the past tense. In this case, we just needed to learn the one word wanted, which can be used for all subjects or people. Past tense regular verbs. To change a regular verb into its past tense form, we normally add ed to the end of the verb. For example, play, played, cook, cooked, talk, talked, rain, rained, wait, waited, paint, painted. There are some exceptions with a slight change in spelling which you can see here. See, saw, buy, bought, write, wrote. Examples of sentences using regular verbs in the past tense. Number 1. Last night I played my guitar loudly and the neighbors complained. 2. It rained yesterday. 3. Angela watched TV all night. 4. John wanted to go to the museum. Negative sentences in the past tense. We use didn't, did not to make a negative sentence in the past tense. This is for regular and irregular verbs in English. Exception is to be and modal verbs such as can. Now compare the following. Present, they don't live in Canada. Past, they didn't live in Canada. The main verb, live in the example above, is in its base form of the infinitive. The auxiliary, didn't, shows that the sentence is negative and in the past tense. The only difference between a negative sentence in the present tense and a negative sentence in the past tense is the change in the auxiliary verb. Both don't and doesn't in the past tense become didn't in the past tense. Compare negative sentences in the examples below. Present, you don't need a mechanic. Past, you didn't need a mechanic. Present, you don't walk to work. Past, you didn't walk to work. Present, he doesn't speak Japanese. Past, he didn't speak Japanese. Examples of negative sentences in the past tense. Number 1. I didn't want to go to the dentist. 2. She didn't have time. 3. You didn't close the door. 4. He didn't come to my party. 5. They didn't study, so they didn't pass the test. 6. We didn't sleep well last night.